School administrators and facility managers know more than anyone that much has changed over the years in the way teachers teach and students learn. To make possible new ways of learning, new schools are being built and older schools modernized. One key component in the successful revitalization of older school buildings is upgrading the building's electrical systems. Eaton, a leading manufacturer of electrical solutions, offers a unique set of resources, expertise, and products to help the school districts address these challenges in the time and space allotted. Introducing IFS, or Integrated Facility System. Pioneered by Eaton, IFS is a new solution that helps schools meet the challenges of today's learning environment. IFS integrates standard panel boards and dry-type distribution transformers and other typical electrical room components such as lighting control, surge protection, and automatic transfer switches into a freestanding front-accessible switchboard with expanded wiring space. And IFS is a proven solution that uses standard electrical components to save space, time, and money.
The business of a school district is keeping the kids in the class and giving them a learning environment.
Most of our schoolwork is modernization right now, trying to upgrade everything.
Up-to-date wiring, up-to-date electrical supply, up-to-date technology services.
They're trying to have a computer for every student, and so that requires us to upgrade the electrical service.
Technology requires electricity, plentiful, clean, and consistent. IFS utilizes cutting-edge Cutler-Hammer electrical distribution equipment, which guarantees today's classrooms have the power they need when they need it. Another challenge facing schools is space. Today, learning doesn't always take place with the teacher in front of the room leading the class. Exploration and interaction are key. That takes space.
We're trying to fit our components that we require to support education in the smallest areas that we can in order to leave more room for the actual educational mission.
You have your high voltage, low voltage, and transformer. The panels you can't stack vertically, one over the top of the other. Code won't allow it. In an IFS situation, you can do that.
Now you're able to put the panels and transformers in a single enclosure.
IFS saves space. In many cases, it can provide additional classroom space or room for future electrical room expansion. And IFS's clean, organized, and attractive look contributes to the aesthetic appearance of the school. IFS can be assembled at any of Eaton's 16 satellite manufacturing plants. The satellite's proximity to the school district and the manufacturing staff's familiarity with local requirements and specific needs of the customer ensures on-time delivery and greatly decreases errors due to miscommunication. The customization offered by the satellite plant can reduce the amount of construction required on-site. Satellite manufacturing facilities were established by Eaton to serve customers like school districts, where maintaining a construction schedule and having maximum availability of facilities are particularly important.
There's a summer sprint that happens, for example, when a school district or a school can be taken apart and has to be put back together because the kids are coming.
IFS arrives on site, wired and pre-tested, which eliminates errors and saves time and money.
The IFS helps with reduced installation time because the equipment shows up, it's already internally wired, so the contractor just has to set it in place and make the final connections.
The biggest thing is just savings in labor.
And that translates into savings in dollars, which can be reallocated to bettering the educational experience. Consistency in the design and construction of IFS promotes standardization as well.
What standards do of any type, including within electrical design, is allow us to train people internally that can go out and troubleshoot a product, or simply that we can use the same or similar products throughout the district and maintain a relationship with the manufacturers and suppliers and achieve an economy of scale that we couldn't do if we were jumping around from manufacturer to manufacturer.
Eaton puts the customer first, initiating interaction and building real partnerships. It's something our customers seem to like.
We choose IFS because we know we're going to get good customer support. We know we can always rely on our local representative to answer questions and to help us take care of problems.
Having a local agent, having somebody that can come out and justify the measurements and see what it is we need to do in the custom spaces we have is incredibly important.
The attention to detail, the ability and willingness to customize, the one-on-one interaction. It's all about going the extra mile to service our customers. And this is particularly true of customers with specialized needs, like K-12 schools and school districts.
If we have the opportunity to use IFS on our projects, we will do so.
Eaton can help both school district administrators and consulting engineers design and build schools that can meet the challenges of today and the future.
We have a local office that we can go to for specific advice. They're backed up by regional offices and national offices where we can get additional technical engineering information. We have an open line of communication with anybody we need to have to solve our design problems. We're dealing directly with a manufacturer through a local sales agent who is taking great care of us. This sounds like a perfect relationship, and it is.
For more information about the IFS solution, contact your local authorized distributor or Eaton sales office, or visit www.eatonelectrical.com.